I think where I cut might have given you a
Why are
bit
you
of
watching
that.
me eat?
Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Hey guys, so we're coming to you from Winter Park. Orlando Eats. Orlando Eats. Oh, sorry, Orlando Meats. Orlando Meats. So this is the steak and the eggs, and Dan got this
medium
is
rare
the
burger without bacon.
without bacon, okay, and curly fries.
So the steak and eggs was $22. The medium rare burger, $14, and the Caesar fries, $4. As I'm filming right now.
Portion looks good, right? The portion size looks good.
Yeah, the
Portion
steak
size
is
looks good?
the steak is a little thin, but it's a breakfast portion, and it doesn't mean that it's not gonna be still amazing. The burger is a good size, and the fries look very good. This is just on appearance. Everything aesthetically looks really nice. Now it's time for the most important thing with food, eating it. Let's go for it. Cheers to you. So the whole thing with this place is that all the meat this is basically a butcher house
Look at that.
has its own
Look at that.
fast food place. To those of you that might know this, but that's how telephone cords used to look.
Oh my gosh. So initial bite of the steak, really good. Curly fries are nice and crispy. Seasoned well. Nice for runny egg. The steak is cooked medium. Really good job.
Yo, these fries, have you tried them?
Yeah,
They're really good.
Try the long one.
Super good. They're the type of seasoned fries that you can actually feel the seasoning on. Some people don't like that. But for me, it's just like I know that it's really seasoned fries and not like some
Show
shit.
them that. The cheese.
Now, if you know me, like fried cheese, you're winning every time with fried cheese. I would get another fries to go because it's.
Kellan really likes them. Kellan really likes it.
Yeah.
How was the steak?
I like it. Pizza Hut is a little fatty, but like
Yeah.
it's a nice balance.
I think where I cut might have given you a
Why are
bit
you
of
watching
that.
me eat?
I want you guys to see that burger, so
Yeah.
I turned it back on.
So, I'm not gonna lie. When it said medium rare burger, I mean, if it said medium, I'd be like, cool. But the medium rare part, I was like, but it's really good. Because they do it in-house, it's just something special to it. Like, we were reading a review.
You explain that, Dan.
Somebody said, oh, they got a piece of grizzle. I was like, well, that kind of proves that they kind of grind it here. So yeah, as I was saying, this place is like if a butcher shop decided to open up like a fast food restaurant, because they do all their stuff in-house. Like they have freezers that you can buy like just meat from them, or like they'll have a chicken that's like this, what they call that style, spatchcocked and seasoned.
Where do you see that?
Over here in this one.
Oh my god, I didn't see that. I thought I looked over there.
But it's a butcher shop. But it's a butcher shop that decided, hey, we can make the food too. And what they make, they do a good job at.
Thank you.
Obviously, this is our first time here, so I can't say everything on the menu is awesome.
There's a udon. I've tried.
The lamb, yeah. Yeah. Lisa's saying that she wants to try the udon.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. It's even in fries.
Stealing fries from each other. But yeah, so
That's a little less fat.
everything that we have
Yeah.
is spot on. I'm not gonna lie, like it's not the best steak I've ever had, but it's still a really good steak. Yeah, so there was like we were at Walmart at Animal Kingdom, and we're at the like cutting station. It's all you can eat at the cutting station. So on one side they have like ribs or something, like pork ribs, and we have the sirloin. It was like, the guy was like, you know, what kind of meat is that? So she's like, it's sirloin. It's like, yeah, but from like where? She's like, oh, it's from a cow. So she thought, okay, he didn't understand what sirloin is, right? Maybe it's a loss of translation. Maybe you just don't know what sirloin is. Cool. The guy's like, yeah, I know, but like, from where? So I was like, are you asking where the sirloin is from?
Where? What cut of meat?
Or like what country it's from? Like, what are you asking her? So she's like kind of dumbfounded by the question. She's like, I'm not sure. I mean, I don't know where cow is from. But I think it might be the whole like, oh, Animal
American
Kingdom
Bible?
is African themed. Is this from like a certain country or blah blah blah? Maybe it's one of those like frozen questions. Is the drink frozen or is it themed in frozen?
You know, I would have waited to find out what you thought you said.
I couldn't. It was one of those things where like it feels embarrassing to where you're uncomfortable.
Can I try the bread?
Sorry. The roll is really nice. The burger is real good. I might have to buy another fries.
So good.
The cheese they put, the provolone, and it hit the fry. Yeah. The bun, everything. Yo, you see how good that burger is? Like, she bit it. It's like, ooh, it's so good. Didn't even get it back before she was like, let me get some more. It's that good. This is why, like, you know, they make a big deal out of like Winter Park and those areas, because you can have places like this that are like, you can slam in food.
Behind there, you know?
Yeah. I do say I don't need to live in Winter Park, but I will visit Winter Park. With the steak.
Yeah, it's a big steak. That's what I can finish it. No, it's big, guys.
This I'm actually gonna comment on. This is awesome. There's another one up there, but especially as someone who grew up like a wrestling fan, and I wanted like probably would have beat somebody just to get my hands on like a wrestling belt back in the day. So I don't think they have a liquor license, so they do like the pre-canned like cocktails, and then they have some wines here. I'm not sure what that is. That might actually be liquor. I'm not sure, but who knows? If they don't, I won't be the one that's going to say anything about it. The wine and the pre-cans with the beer is enough for me. One thing I will say that is slightly disturbing is I'm not sure if that's supposed to be a meat grinder, right? But I want to say it's noodles, and then it wouldn't bother me so much to see the noodles falling on the chicken. But if it is a grinder, that art, while it looks really nice, is slightly disturbing.
So as you know, Dan loves to come to the bathrooms and see how nice they look. Again, this pasta noodle. Cute little decor. And very clean. Yeah. And now to use the bathroom. My ride is here. Open, 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 open.
What?
Hey, kiss the camera. Kiss the camera.
Love, I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all.